Oh yeah, welcome back. I'm really excited because I got a new delivery today. It's my BiraBira multi-purpose scoring board. As much as I love my Sizzix scoring board and trimmer, it's really bulky, it's heavy and it takes up a lot of space on my desk. And sometimes I just want something smaller just for my smaller projects. So I thought I would order this. And this is just absolutely amazing. I'm in love with it already and I haven't even used it yet. So you open up the package, you got your little scoreboard there. Nice little one, just great size for cards and things. It's got a little bone folder on the top there that attaches, which is handy so you don't lose it, because I probably will. It's a nice little size and shape that fits on nicely. Yeah, and you've got your measurements there, a little bit hard to see. Put the light on there, I forgot about it. Yes, you can just see the little measurements there. Inches, which is what I need. On the back you've got your envelope maker with instructions, and you have a little embossing place there, which I've never seen before in an envelope maker. As you can see there, little different patterns. And you've got the instructions there, tells you how to do it. Tells you what you can do. Emboss shapes to decorate envelope. I do like that idea. Have to have a go at that and show you how to do it. That's how you put the bone folder back. It just attaches on really securely. This is the punch. It has a notch on one side for the envelope and it has the corner rounder. That came with it. This is my Sizzix trimmer and envelope maker and cutter and scorer, whatever you can do. You can do loads with it, but it is really, really big and it's bulky and it's heavy. That's in envelope mode there. You can make just about any size envelopes with it. It's really good. You can see on the back of the envelope maker there, they have measurements in inches and centimetres, which I think is really good. And it gives you the different size cards you can make for the maximum size cards there. The paper size that you will need. Just great stuff. You also get a few instructions on the back of the box that it came in, just for card making and envelope making, which I think is really good. But if you'd like a tutorial on any of these things, just let me know and I'll be happy to oblige. In the meantime, thank you for staying with me. I really appreciate it as always. Have a great day and enjoy your crafting. Bye bye for now.